Summer weddings are magical, but the heat can be a challenge for your makeup. To ensure you look flawless all day, start with a clean canvas. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser, tone to balance oil, and apply a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. Don't forget sunscreen. Choose a matte formula with at least SPF 30. Next, prime your skin with a mattifying primer, focusing on your T-zone. For foundation, opt for a long-wear, sweat-resistant formula. Use a damp sponge for a natural finish or a brush for more coverage. Conceal any imperfections with a crease-proof concealer and set everything with a light dusting of powder. Add warmth with bronzer and a cream blush topped with powder for longevity. Highlight your cheekbones and brow bones for a soft glow. For the eyes, use a good primer and neutral shadows, ensuring your mascara and eyeliner are waterproof. Define your brows with a durable pencil and finish with a lip liner and matte lipstick to prevent feathering. Finally, lock it all in with a quality setting spray. With these steps, you'll shine bright and beautiful, no matter the summer heat.